Many a time when we were small children, we tasted our fingers, we tasted our skin, etc., everything. But now, we are tasting our mind, we are tasting our knowledge, we are tasting our talents, we are tasting our experts, talents, skills, and abilities. All these things we are tasting. We are good in that. We are tasting our relationships. You know tasting, all this tasting. I am only saying you, there is something deeper than all these things. Go there and taste that. Don't decide about it. Don't judge on it. Tasting your knowledge alone is not the final tasting. Tasting your talents and skills alone is not the final tasting. There is something deeper inside you, the same you. Go there. Taste. If you say that, I don't know how to go, that's why I'm here. Ask me. I will tell you how to taste you beyond your knowledge, beyond your mind, beyond your intellectual, beyond all you know. You are tasting all you know. I am inducing you, I am triggering you, I am tempting you to taste the unknown. Whatever you are tasting right now is the known. You know it. You know your mind, you know your knowledge, you know your skill, you know all these stuffs. You tasted it. You are tasting it every day. There is something unknown. Why don't you taste that? Inside you. It's not far away. It's not in the Pacific Ocean or Atlantic Ocean. It's inside you. Something unknowable, unknown, something secret, hidden. Secret in the sense, because it is hidden, we call it a secret. Otherwise, there is no secret. Taste it. Of course, everyone is tasting that unknown very accidentally. I don't say that you are not tasted at all. You have been tasting from your birth, but it is happening in an accidental way. Now we are here to taste it consciously, not in an accidental way, as and when you require. If you need now you have to taste. It should not happen in an accidental way. That is the definition of a spiritual person. For me, spiritual person means one who is having the capacity of tasting oneself anytime. It's like your kitchen, own kitchen. If you want to make a coffee, you can go and make a coffee. You will not make a phone call to the neighbor country. You simply go to the kitchen and just make a coffee, you know it. If you want some salad, you know it. You go to the kitchen, you make a salad, you eat. The inner kitchen is not far away than your home kitchen.